Hi! Welcome to 37 Bridge Street 3D. It is a perfect loft in a converted soap factory condominium. It has 11-foot ceilings and an enormous window with a view looking at Manhattan. Could this be any dreamier? Actually, it could. The view at night. Now that we've gotten the obvious wow factor out of the way, take a seat at the dining table. Let's get down to the details. A chef's kitchen with so many upgrades and design details. Designer appliances and fixtures, honed statuary marble countertops. I love that they had the tile go all the way to the ceiling. The details make the difference. These silo cutouts are from the original Kirkman soap factory. I am so comfortable here. But do you know what would make this room even better? A walk-in closet. Stop it. Oh, and custom Baltic birch built-ins from a local cabinet maker. I know, right? A lovely full bathroom and a full-size washer, and wait for it, vented dryer. But wait, there's more. Working from home? Welcome to your office. This loft is in one of my favorite Dumbo buildings. It is so authentically Dumbo. Original railroad tracks run through the lobby, and there's an amazing roof deck with multiple seating areas and these views. The only thing that would make this more perfect would be a friend and a glass of rosé. Cheers to perfection.